Cold brew coffee is one of the most popular drinks in our cafes. This is Will, I'm Marco from Methodical Coffee in Greenville, South Carolina. And today we're gonna talk about what cold brew is and how you can make it at home.
Cold brew is usually when you get a higher concentration of coffee to water ratio. The ratio is 8:1 usually, that's what we use.
What's the normal for like a brewed cup of coffee?
When I'm brewing coffee, my standard ratio is 16:1, so.
Okay, it's like double the strength.
Yeah, cold brew is about double the strength,
Okay.
yeah. And so, the ratio is a little bit tighter, allowing you to extract more. It's different also because we're adding ground coffee and water to a vessel and usually just letting it sit at room temperature. You can kind of steep to taste, but a good rule of thumb is room temp, let it steep for about 12 hours. If you put it in the refrigerator, maybe closer to 24.
So how does cold brew taste in comparison to hot coffee or iced coffee?
So cold brew to me tastes a lot more mellow. The perceived sweetness is higher, the mouthfeel seems a little bit more viscous, and the acidity is usually a lot lower in cold brew than it is in other forms of coffee.
Is there more caffeine?
Yes. Most of the time there is a lot more caffeine.
Oh wow.
And depending on your strength, we usually are brewing our cold brew here at like a 1:8 ratio. Usually you'll dilute it to taste. Some people will brew this cold brew and they'll be like, wow, I like how it tastes right now. It is going to be higher in caffeine.
Wow. And it's good to add with milk if you want to do like a creamy thing. So if you want to dilute it with water, you can make it more kind of a just black cold brew, or add milk to make it more of a creamy thing, and then add sweetener to it, do all kinds of stuff with it.
That's right.
All right, let's get started on brewing cold brew with a French press.